no idea actually.
Alright, guys, we're gonna do the bank robbery or something. I don't know. We're gonna do a bank. We're gonna do truck bank robbery. Let's go in the car.
Yeah!
Go in! Oh no, to run! Oh, it's alright. Run!
There's a thing called a road.
Oh my god, what happened? Okay, guys, we are going to the... Stop jumping! I'm leaving you away! Bye-bye!
I'm got a truck.
Truck! Oh my god, he gets truck. This is so fire emoji, guys. My car go 100 miles an hour. But kinda. Okay, guys, we are nearby. Should we jump the rail? I think, yeah. Oh, it actually worked.
It's so faster and not
Why am I not?
faster,
Oh no, oh no.
90
I'm gonna hit the cactus. Never mind. Oh no, oh. Okay, guys, we arrived to the truck, Banak. Bonk. Alright, guys, we are gonna enter the Banak.
Bro, just wait.
Okay.
Government Amazon does even.
Hold on, let me check it a little. Okay, I'm gonna enter the building.
No, dude.
Okay, guys, and that is the robbery. Now, congratulations! You have robbed the truck bank. Now you get free paleta for life, and also this random black truck. I don't know. You can make deliveries and make money. Anyways, I'm gonna go.
I have no driving license, okay?
I'm gonna drive to the nearest gas station.
Did you still in the video though?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Damn, that was actually kind of awesome. Insert MLG.
video.
What?
Show like.
But I'm doing the video, bro.
Oh, you're still doing the video.
Okay, guys, we are going on the track as a train. What? What? Alright, guys. Ah! No! Okay, guys, I will cut the video and I will pause it to show that I made it to the gas station. Okay, guys, we did it. I made it to the gas station. And now, I seriously don't know,
And like I said, son.
Okay, wait, no, come back! No, come back!
Santa Claus!
What?
Back with my Santa Claus.
Okay, let me get in. No, I said get in. Okay, guys.
I don't have a driving license, sadly.
That explains why we are multi-track drifting without on any
That
tracks.
explains why we are on the tracks.
That explains why we are driving downwards. Why are we driving downwards? Where is the no, dude? It's now a convertible.
Why is the car breaking apart?
It's a convertible. It's a convertible, bro. Trust me.
It's a Tino convertible.
I sure hope I sure hope a train will not hit me. Why is the camera on the car? I sure hope a train doesn't hit me in the next 50 seconds. Oh, why is there a caution? I sure hope, guys, I will not get hit by a train in the next 20 seconds. Oh my god, is that a train?
Well, the train just shredded that